In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transfers in Freshbooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to handle money that moves between your own accounts, so your books stay clean, accurate, and easy to understand. Let's start from the main dashboard in Freshbooks. First, you'll want to head over to your accounting section. This is where all the behind-the-scenes financial organization happens. Within accounting, look for the area called Bank Reconciliation. This section is designed to help you match what's in Freshbooks with what actually appears on your bank statements, so it's the perfect place to manage transfers. Once you're in the bank reconciliation area, you'll see a list of your bank transactions. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the bank transfer you haven't reconciled yet. This is usually a transaction where money has moved from one of your own accounts to another, like from your checking account to a savings account, or from your business account to a tax savings account. It's important not to categorize these as regular expenses or income, because that would skew your reports and make it look like money was leaving or entering the business when it really wasn't. After you've found the unreconciled transfer in the list, look to the left of that transaction and select the checkbox next to it. This tells Freshbooks which transaction you want to work with, and it will also allow you to apply bulk actions if you ever need to do this for multiple transfers at once. As soon as the checkbox is selected, you'll notice a button appear at the top of the list that says Mark As. Go ahead and click that button. This is where you tell Freshbooks how to treat the selected transaction. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Transfer. By selecting Transfer, you're explicitly telling Freshbooks that this is money moving between two accounts you own, not money coming in from a client or going out as an expense. Once you choose Transfer, Freshbooks will automatically adjust the balances for both accounts involved in that transaction. That means it will reduce the balance in the account the money came from and increase the balance in the account the money went to without counting it as income or an expense. This keeps your reports accurate and your reconciliation process smooth, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've correctly categorized a transfer in Freshbooks and helped keep your financial records clean and reliable.